How to set up WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can set up a high quality picture on our profile picture on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. First thing is open up your WhatsApp. After that, I want you to tap on I want you to select the photo that you want to set up as a profile picture on one of the chats. Just go to your gallery and select a picture. So let's say this is the picture that I want to set up as my profile picture, but I don't want to lose the quality. So I'm going to just post a high quality, which is HD photo on my profile picture. For that, just tap on this HD. You can see at the very up at the side, very up, you can see that option SD. Just tap on it and you can see this HD quality. Just tap on HD quality and you can see photo set to HD quality. Just send to that friend. After that, this picture will automatically be saved in your device. So what I'm going to do is, after sending it to my friend, just get back to chat and tap on the three dot. After tapping on three dot, just go to your settings where you can change your profile picture. Just tap on your profile and tap on this camera icon. After that, select the picture that you just sent to your friend and set it as your profile picture. After setting it up, that's how you basically post a picture on your profile picture as on WhatsApp without losing any quality. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.